All right, so that's enough talking. Let's break this. All right, yeah.
You suck. You suck.
That's gonna be the beginning. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Triple O Rustic Designs. In today's video, we've got some big news. We've got here a brand new Festool 2200 router and a Woodpeckers Slab Flattening Mill. These are two really important tools for us here at our shop because it's gonna take our live edge slab game to the next level. So as you can tell, both of these products are brand new. So we're gonna break the router out of the box, we're gonna get it installed on the slab flattening mill, and then we're gonna test out both of these bits. Both of these bits are 2-inch wide, so they should take a lot of material off these slabs, especially with the power of this 2200 router. If you guys are interested in seeing the specs and details behind these products we're about to use, go ahead and look in the description below. I've got links for every single one of these items down there. Huge thanks to Festool and Woodpeckers for sending us these products. All we had to do was give them our credit card number and they sent them over in like 2 days. We're really excited to use these products. Thank you, Festool, and thank you, Woodpeckers. So we've got a brand new slab flattening table that Dad made, and we've got a 24 by 26 inch live edge slab up there that is super uneven. All right, that's enough talking. Let's break this thing out and let's flatten this slab. All right, so I'm no professional at this, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So the slab flattening mill plate that slides back and forth has a bunch of pre-drilled holes for all the different kind of routers. It has like 24 different routers that you can attach to this plate based on like the hole alignment. Being that the Festool 2200 is like the best router that they make, that one's gonna fit on here super easy. So the first thing we're gonna do is take out the Festool 2200 router. And I'm gonna flip it upside down. Set it right here. So here on the bottom side of the router, this little plate is being held on by 6 screws. So I'm gonna take those 6 screws out, and then I'm gonna screw the plate from the slab flattening mill onto the router. So what's super nice about the Woodpeckers Slab Flattening Mill is it comes with this little bag that contains all the screws for the routers that are compatible with the mill. It even has a list in here of the compatible routers, and then it tells you which screws to use and which spots to put the screws in on the plate here. All right, so we've got the router installed on the slab flattening mill. And one thing I wanna say is, I know I didn't get to show you guys putting this mill together, but the instructions for this Woodpecker slab flattening mill is some of the easiest instructions we've ever dealt with. All of the products are labeled and it tells you exactly what to do. Grab bag A, put it with bag B. It is some of the best instructions, so Woodpeckers, thank you very much for making it easy to assemble this mill. All right, so now that the router's installed on the mill, we're gonna flip over the router and we're gonna put in one of our new bits. We're gonna start out with this Co-Wood 2-inch slab flattening bit. This is what the bit looks like. It's just got 2 blades. It's got the 1/2-inch shaft that fits well in this 2200 router. All right, so we've got the router installed on the mill, we've got the bit installed in the router, and we've got the level set to the highest point on this slab. We're gonna begin taking shallow passes off this slab, working our way down until it's nice and flat all the way across. All right, so as you can see, we got that top side completely flattened. We're running out of daylight, so we're gonna work on it in the morning. But sliding this router on the Woodpeckers Slab Flattening Mill is really nice. Like this thing, look, back and forth, super easy. It went through this slab like it was nothing. Super happy with the way the router's working, extremely happy with the way the mill works. So we'll be back in the morning to finish the other side of this little table. All right, good morning guys, we're back here at our shop. We got this table slab flipped over. We're gonna start working on the bottom side now. So we're gonna get this side flat, and once it's done, we're gonna get it put on this awesome little table that Dad's been working on. Real quick, you can see I'm wearing a new hat today. This is one of our hats that we're gonna be featuring on our website, LLRusticDesigns.com. So within the next coming weeks, we're gonna be putting out some t-shirts, some hats, and a couple other products on our website. So be sure to head over there and check it out if you're interested in purchasing something. We're gonna get this slab flattened and then we're gonna get it put on the table.
Still working things out.
All right, so we finished flattening that slab and it turned out absolutely awesome. You can see it's got a little bit of the router lines, but that's perfectly fine. We're gonna do a lot of sanding. So once this thing gets sanded up, we're gonna get it on top of this oak table, and it'll be a pretty nice little nightstand, completely made out of red oak. We're super happy with the way the router performed on this sled. This is gonna be a game changer for our business. We're gonna start flattening some slabs and making some really cool products to sell to you guys. All right guys, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out our channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our future videos. We're gonna get this slab sanded, put on this table, and we'll see you on the next video.